it's so smooth.
And here we go.
We need another Nina. Come sit down right here and then get up. Come sit right down here and then get up. That's all I want you to do. I want you to come sit down right here and get up.
I think I'm big meat. I can hear you.
Oh, you got headphones on? Or are you just retarded? No, we know the answer to that one.
Oh, pussy.
It looks like one now. Look at it. It looks like a vagina.
David can put his flashlight in it.
Huh? Vagina size? It's like a big fat
Mexican. Put it down
Mexican.
and do it again.
Really?
Not so close to me. Not so
Closer.
Ball sack. Ball sack. Cushion vagina fucking catcher's mitt. Ball sack.
Please put this on Facebook.
Ball sack. We're good. We're freaking good.
That will be your ball sack.